Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Go to the account settings. Here, you can find the two-step verification option. Tap on it. Tap on the turn off button to proceed. Finally, tap on the turn off option to confirm and disable two-step verification. And this is how you can turn off two-step verification on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.